this video, we will show you how to insert signature on Microsoft Word. To insert signature on Microsoft Word, the easiest way is using image format. First, you can go to onlinesignature.com/drawasignature_online. We put link into description. Then, you can just draw your signature here. For example, after that, you can just click Save in here. Then, you can download a signature. Let's put into desktop. For example, now go to your Microsoft Word page and choose Inserts. Then go to Pictures. Go to your signature in here, for example, and click Inserts. Now you can see your signature is in here. You can add like this if you want, or you can just using inserts, using shapes and this to make a line. Then you can put your name here. If you want to using signature by Microsoft, you can just insert this. We will put enter in here, insert this, and you can choose signature line in here and choose Microsoft Office signature line. For example, manager, and then this is for email. For example, you can click OK, and this type signature is by Microsoft, and this is you can using onlinesignature.com, and you can make this is bold, okay, and choose width like this. This is a tutorial how to insert signature on Microsoft Word. Hope this video helpful for you.